Hello friends. In this video, we will be discussing about some signs related to wealth and money in the palm. I, Shri Vardhan, welcome you to this channel and our website also, that is missiontathastu.com. The link will be given in the description for any contact and consultation inquiries. You're most welcome to do that on that website. And now let's start with this video. Generally, in hand, if we have to predict about somebody's money or wealth or financial status, we generally observe this line, which is the fate line. Now, in this video, we will be discussing about certain type of signs and lines apart from this fate line, which have that capability of giving you certain amount of wealth. It could give you speculative gains also. It could help you to win lottery or certain type of ancestral, wealth or gains that you can have by having these signs on your palm. So you can check your palm just right away for this sign and check whether you can get certain type of financial gains in your life or not. So let's start with it. Now in a hand, if you have these type of small vertical lines, I would say number 1 on the Mercury mount, number 2 on the Jupiter mount. These both are very strong indication of getting wealth and getting riches of the life. If you are having both in your hand, then believe me, there will not be any wish that remains unfulfilled in your life, and everything you have ever thought of, you will gain that in your life. Okay, so number 1 point is this small vertical lines. This is basically called money line. Okay, in palmistry, we have name for this line as money line, and this starts from the lower Mars and it goes towards the Jupiter mount, and in the Jupiter mount it is placed over there, a small vertical line. So if it is present in your palm, so need not worry about finances. If you are into a financial crunch or something, it is just a temporary phase. It will go away and you will earn a lot in your life. Okay, now we come to the second indication. Now, second indication is basically 3 stars. A star formation on a Jupiter mount, a star formation on a Sun mount, a star formation on a Moon mount. If you have any of them, especially a star formation on Jupiter and Sun. Sun is known as Apollonian person and it's Jupiter. It strengthens the mount and it gives you all the riches of life. So basically, these 3 mounts are developed and they have this sign. So it ensures, the incoming of money in your life and incoming of wealth in your life. Now we come to the fate line. See, the fate line starts from here. The longer is better, the prominent is better. Okay. And if in the ending it has a trident formation, in Hindi we call it a Trishul formation. So if it has a trident formation at the ending, believe me, you are having a very good chances of getting speculative gains, especially in share market or lottery or somewhere, which is related to your luck, purely luck sort of, work. It will definitely help you and build your, money throughout your life, and you will not face any sort of financial problems in your life. So till now we have discussed 3 basic things. These are 2 vertical lines, then there is star formation on 3 mounts, and the third thing is trident formation on the fate line. Now we come to one more aspect, which is known as eye of phoenix. This concept is given in various type of texts, various type of research material. It is basically a sort of island formation, or you can say eye formation on the point where Venus mount and thumb is joining on your palm. So if you are having this formation in your hand, it is said to be very lucky for any sort of wealth and financial gains. But see, as far as my practical experience is concerned, this eye of phoenix is applicable here also. So if you are having this sign at either of the places or both the places in your thumb, basically on the first part as well as on the second part, in either of the places or both, so it will be, both is very very rare. It is not, I have not seen it yet, but if you are having either of the places right here or here, it is very lucky for you for financial gains, and believe me, you will get a lot of money out of it, and you are very lucky, and you know how to manipulate things to get maximum gains. So if it is there and here, so it will be definitely very beneficial for you as far as wealth is concerned. Now we come to certain type of small other signs and indication which also adds to your luck when it comes to wealth or financial gains. If there is square formations, either 1 or 2 or 3 on your moon mount, it is said to be very lucky. If there is a circle under your sun mount, it is said to be very lucky on financial part. It could be circle, it could be square, it could be rectangle. Any formation near a sun mount or on the sun mount is said to be very lucky when it comes to financial gains or wealth or general money earning. So it is very very beneficial for you in this aspect. Similarly, a square formation under your Jupiter mount, it is also said to be very lucky for you, and it will definitely help you to gain maximum wealth. There is sun line. The more the sun line is there, it is very lucky. If it starts from equally from the fate line level, it is more lucky for you. And if any of the branch joins the fate line, it becomes a really good sign for wealth earning and money earning. So it is a very beneficial sign. So today we have discussed so many signs, and they are also called the Raj Yogas when we study the palmistry. These are the Raj Yoga which fulfill all your desire, especially the monetary desires. So if you are having any of the sign in your, or any of the line in your palm, so you are very lucky for the financial or monetary gains. So we will end this video right here, and I wish that you have liked this video and you will subscribe our channel and keep watching our channel. We will be back very shortly with more and more informative videos on palmistry as well as astrology. Thank you.